In this video, I am going to guide you about finding suitable tags for your videos, adding them, using more than 500 characters, and hashtags. Let's see how the tags work. When uploading a video, you use a title, but when people search for videos, they do not type the exact words you put in the title. Imagine your title is how to sew a face mask. People will search for sewing face masks, making face masks at home, dye face mask, etc. This is where tags come to the play. In the tags, you can enter all the possible keywords people will search for when they need to know how to sew a face mask. You can just guess and type, or you can use a 100% free website to find the most suitable tags for your video. Rapidtags.com is one of them. I have put the link in the description. Click on the link and you will be redirected. You have to type the basic title which explains your video. It will generate a list of most famous tags people are looking for. You can click on copy and just paste in the tags box of your YouTube Studio page. There is another way. If you need to find the tags what other YouTubers are using, there is a website called onlinefreetools.com. I have put the link in the description. You just have to copy a URL of a video, go to that website and paste the URL and press generate. It will give the tags attached to that video. I'll tell you how to get the use of this trick. Go to YouTube and search for the title you are going to use. Then there will be videos appearing. You can select the videos appearing on the top of search results and the videos with highest number of views. Copy their links and find the tags those YouTubers have used. You can add them as the tags of your video. When adding tags, you can neglect the words like the. Another thing people are looking for is how to add tags with more than 500 characters. For that, you can use hashtags in your video description. Here are few examples, but do not overuse hashtags. Just use 5 or 6 important ones. You can have sentences if you like. They will work as same as tags. When you upload a video, it will take some time to process the tags. They will work after that. Keep uploading videos regularly without considering the number of views you have. You will come to the top eventually. I have a video series on daily trends. Watch that to get some knowledge on daily YouTube trends. Subscribe to get more videos like this. Comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching.